There's only one thing better than a brand new house, and that's a nearly new home. You might be asking yourself, how is that even possible? Well, let me tell you, you get all the benefits of a brand new house without the additional costs or hassle of transforming that house into a spectacular home.
You get a home full of designer finishes and not a single builder beige wall in sight.
You get a home that's full of upgrades, your light fixtures are on point, and your window coverings, they're in place.
You get a home with a fully fenced yard and front and rear sod in place. All that and more on today's episode.
So Devin, today we find ourselves in the coveted new neighborhood of Midhurst Valley, and this area certainly is the best of both worlds. You're literally minutes to the end of Bayfield Street with all of your daily amenities like dining, entertaining, and shopping, yet it feels like you're miles away. We're literally minutes away from Snow Valley Ski Hill for all you outdoor enthusiasts who love to ski and snowboard. And in the summer months, we've got Vesper Hills Golf Course that is literally steps from your front door. And on a day like today, I can't think of anywhere else I'd rather be than picking produce at Barrie Hill Farm. This area is the best of both worlds, whether you want outdoor living or that neighborhood feel.
Absolutely, this neighborhood is fantastic, but let's take a moment to talk about the beautiful property. This contemporary home has been designed to perfection and features so many designer updates and finishes. All you have to do is unpack, move in, and call it home. Welcome to 43 Calypso.
Welcome inside this spectacular home. Nothing about this home is standard, and it starts right at the front door where you have 11-foot ceilings and upgraded 12 by 24 tiles. Right at the front door, there's a flex room that can easily be used as a home office or a space to have a home-based business, or for those overnight guests. This home unfolds into this gorgeous dining space complete with shiplap detailed wall and stunning light fixture.
This kitchen shows perfection with extended height cabinetry and quartz countertops. The builder island was removed and replaced by this oversized island that is perfect for prepping and entertaining. Just off of the kitchen is the Butler pantry for additional storage and is the perfect spot to make that morning coffee or cocktail. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the family room that has expansive windows, a wood paneling feature wall, and a gas fireplace.
The main floor is rounded out by a statement powder room, a mudroom with additional storage, and a built-in bench. It also features interior access to your garage.
Now this is a primary retreat. With a spacious entry, this room has so much wow factor. This room is large enough to accommodate a king-size bed and a sitting area. It also features a spa-like ensuite and a generous-sized closet for all of those designer handbags.
The upper level has 3 generous-sized bedrooms, and when I say generous, I mean it. They each have their own ensuite and walk-in closet. The upper level is rounded out by a laundry room with the happiest vibe and a walk-in linen closet.
So much has gone into this spectacular 3,500 square foot home as soon as the homeowners receive their keys. As you mentioned, there are no builder grade finishes. It's all designer and upgrades. This home truly is move-in ready.
It is, Devin. It shows to perfection. So oftentimes people forget about all the additional costs when building a brand new home. Well, everything's been done here for you. All you need to do is move in, unpack your things, and make it your own. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Midhurst. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.